Good morning everyone, today we're bringing you a Timex watch review outside. We're looking at a Timex, Timex 1972 reissue today. Retails at £155, 43mm by 39mm wide with a 15mm case thickness. Operates on a full quartz movement as well. Let's get a little bit closer to that dial. So we've got a domed acrylic crystal going on the top of that actual face of the watch with a burgundy red with floating hour markers, non-luminous hands, non-luminous increments, date dial at 3 PM. Nice markings for the Timex and the quartz there as well. Excellent polished finish on the casing. Coming down to strap, you've got a period styling quick release strap with a nice feel to it, gold PVD gold plated casing and buckle. It's a reversible buckle following on from the 1972 design with a corner insert case release, quick release option on the strap available. So there we go guys, that is the Timex Q reissue 1972. Hope you enjoyed it and I'll see you on the next video.